Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Air 2020, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you can simply find the toggle right over here. So when you tap on it, it will go into the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also hold it and it will give you a couple options right here. So you can turn it on for 1 hour until this evening or until I leave this location, which is kind of nice option. And also you have a schedule if you wanted to. Now once you tap on the schedule, it will take you to the settings. So you can see we're now in the settings of the Do Not Disturb. And from here we have things like allow calls from, so we can set it from everyone and no one, or contacts, so we can basically specify contacts that can reach us. Repeated callers, so it will ring if someone calls us from the same person within 3 minutes. So there we go. So if someone calls us twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to reach us no matter what the setting here is. And then we also have the silence option, so we have always or while iPad is locked. Schedule, which will allow you to set a schedule, the time that it turns on, off, and each day of the week. So you can set it up here. But apart from the settings right here, to simply turn it on or off, you just tap on the toggle right over here. And that is how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.